All right, guys, some very exciting news today. Both myself and my production assistant are going to be in Italy for 7 nights this coming August. We're going to be shooting an amazing wedding on Lake Como, which is at the base of the Swiss Alps. You guys remember that that really awesome private jet photo shoot session that I posted a couple weeks ago? It's that couple. I guess they like the pictures because now they're sending us to Italy to do their wedding. We're super excited. I'm going to be spending 4 nights in Como and then 3 extra nights in Milan, which is the fashion capital of Italy. So what I want to do is do a photo walk / workshop for 2 days. One day will be in Como and the second day will be in Milan. I'll have an amazing Italian model there. You can rest assured of that. And I'll do all those arrangements. This will be an amazing portfolio building opportunity for you guys, as well as an opportunity to connect with me. We can talk business. We can go over all the stuff that I do on the ins and outs of my business, as well as all stuff photography. Guys, if you're interested in doing this Italy workshop with me, shoot me a DM on Instagram as soon as possible so I can send you all the best deals on hotel and air. It's not that expensive. I've done 2 weeks of research because I had to book my own trip, and it's very reasonably priced. So I can send that information to you, and it will be great. Guys, if you pay attention to my channel and you've seen some of the other trips that I've gone on, you'll know that this is going to be a big deal. Remember that trip last year we did in Virginia where we shot in that ridiculous mansion, where we did a fashion bridal photo shoot before the bride's wedding? We got epic shots. That would have been an awesome trip to come on. Then we did a 7-day cruise. We went to multiple countries for a wedding. That was another amazing shoot, an opportunity that you guys could have come and connect with me. We could have done a photo walk and workshop there as well. And now here we go again. 3rd time's a charm. Italy will be amazing. This is going to be sick. Trust me. Let's do it. Go over camera settings. The number one thing is really consistency. Now, the physical placement of the light is important here. That's never gonna work. See, look at this. This is really cool. The problem is that all of her is facing that same direction. When you drop that chin, it builds that intensity. Now, I'm gonna take this shot. It's wrong. There's one other thing that I wanna change, but I'm gonna shoot it so I can show it, and then we're gonna change it. Stay like that. Exceed the building so that you're not introducing any highlights. There are no highlights. Turn your face more this direction like that. See that? There it is. It's all or nothing. So I wanted you in here first to see what I'm doing. So now we're gonna control this. So this is really a 3-light setup. You're having fun, right? So we're doing the breakouts now. We got 2 groups we got going on here. Let me see. Dude, it's so sick. Back it up.
Think so? Really?
There, it's all coming together. That's what you want. We are totally pulling back the curtains here.
Well, let me tell you something. This is probably one of the best workshops I've been to.
Heidi Klum was supposed to come. I had her on speed dial. I said, Heidi, I got this workshop.